Yeah, we were like, oh crap, we better. So where's your GoPro?
It's at home. Alright, so on our trip to Nashville, I bought these sunglasses. And I really like them. But they cost a lot of money. Way too much money. Way more than I should have spent on a pair of sunglasses. But Kay let me do it, and I wanted to, and so I did it. But now I'm kind of regretting the decision, because instead of spending that amount of money on a pair of sunglasses, I should have spent that amount of money on getting an upgrade for my camera, so that I can zoom in and shoot in a little bit lower lighting scenarios and stuff like that. So right now, I'm heading up to the mall, and I'm going to return these sunglasses so I can get my money back, and then I'm going to go by Best Buy and look at their cameras and see if I can't find a good deal. Alright, I took back the sunglasses and went ahead and ate lunch at the mall. You know, the Chinese food at the mall is really good in the way that you're like, I know this is chicken, but I don't know what parts of the chicken it is kind of good. So, alright, going into Best Buy to look at cameras. Sorry, GoPro. Alright, I'm looking at the Canon PowerShot SX720. It's really good, but it's like $380. I don't have that much, so I'm looking online right now to see if there's any that they will price match to. Were you able to find one? No. Just stopped by the grocery store on the way home. Had to pick up some dog food. So now I am heading back to the house. I've got a lot of cleaning to do today, so. Could I get a venti iced chai tea latte with light ice? Whatever. That's it. Thank you. Alright, just got a new camera. I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be good. But, gotta switch it out. So, alright, we're ready to go. Don't currently have this one on a tripod. I'm not sure because I still am planning to carry the GoPro around with me to get time lapses and stuff like that. And I'll definitely need a tripod like this for the GoPro. But I feel like I need something for this camera because I feel like holding it in my arm is less than ideal. But we'll figure that out. Alright, since the last time I was out here, it's gotten crazy. Look at this. It's just like crazy stormy. It's weird. I'm gonna try to get a time lapse. Really got to take this trash out before the rain comes. Our alley is notorious for just getting crazy flooded and muddy and disgusting, so I'm going to take the trash out now. Oh hey, it's sprinkling. I feel it. Exciting. I can hear thunder all around me. It's sprinkling ever so lightly, and I can just see dark clouds surrounding the entire house. So it's about to get nuts. There's like a torrential downpour coming down right now. It is. Oh my gosh. It's ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It is insane out here. Oh my gosh, it's just insane. It is legitimately ridiculous, and my feet are just getting soaked. All the water is splashing up onto me. So it was bright and sunny out like an hour and a half ago. Like for real, this morning I got out, went and did all that stuff, bright, sunshiny. I mean, there were clouds in the sky, but not bad. I bought this camera, nothing, just bright, sunny, and now it is just pouring rain. Pouring. It's crazy. All right, the rain has stopped. Still not cleared up though. Still plenty of clouds in the sky, but no flooding in this area at least. All right, I'm gonna run over to my parents' house real quick and feed their dogs for them. And I will probably head back home. So me and exercise are not friends right now. And I don't even, I'm like, oh my gosh, I had Chinese food today, had Starbucks, had a Coke, and I'm just like, well, I've already messed up today. I might as well just have another Starbucks, grab a Sonic Coke, have pizza for dinner. It's like, it's ridiculous. I need to get it in check because it's just awful. On a brighter note, we have dinner with friends tonight, and that's going to be super fun. So look forward to that. All right, we're going somewhere new tonight that we've never been. It's called On the Perder. So haven't had it since like last night, so I'll let you know how it is. All right, dinner is going really well. Say bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Good times. Yeah. Alright, we just got done with the dinner. It was awesome. I love those guys.
Woo!
It's fun to see them again. I feel like we haven't gotten to hang out with them much, so it was cool to get to hang out again.
It was good. It was awesome.
Hey, Justin and Jenna, I forgot to tell you before, but your battery's dead on that thing. So we're having to let Caitlin in.
I'll just leave my
So